What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. If you haven't noticed, many fast food and fine dining establishments are closing up shop due to the cost of labor and supplies. Keep in mind these businesses are backed by millions of dollars of advertising and so forth and still folded. For the small entrepreneurs coming up in the food game, they need to ditch the idea of a brick and mortar route and learn how to create a virtual restaurant, and I'm here to help. Ghost kitchen, also known as dark kitchens, are commercial kitchens set up and designed for food delivery service. Each delivery kitchen should be located in an area with a high volume of delivery demand. The kitchens themselves don't have a storefront, and the staff prepare dishes off the menu that are only available for delivery. Think of it as a digital restaurant operating as a virtual storefront. With a few staff members working on fulfilling online orders, instead of a physical brick and mortar location, your presence is digital, allowing you to reach more customers than ever could you just with a physical location. You could launch new brands or manage multiple virtual restaurants all in one place since your presence is online. So many people will be asking if they're watching this video, can you have a ghost kitchen from home? Yes, you can. I'll also leave a link down below on how to start a ghost kitchen from home. Another way to get started, which is the most popular when it comes to a ghost kitchen or virtual kitchen, you usually begin by renting out space at a facility where you can prep delivery orders. Once you're set up with the commercial kitchen equipment you need to operate, you'll launch your brand online through multiple delivery apps such as Uber Eats, Grubhub, GoPuff, or InstaCart. Then you'll watch incoming orders and prepare food in your delivery-only kitchen space. With the ongoing rise in popularity of major food delivery providers such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmate, it's more important now than ever to build a delivery model that works. When it comes to Cloud Kitchen, they provide the infrastructure and technology you need to run a successful delivery kitchen business virtual brand. First off, less overhead costs. As a business, you're always looking for ways to cut costs while maintaining quality. It's very difficult in an expensive brick or mortar. With delivery orders coming in and workers are using multiple tablets, it's very difficult to focus on delivery and streamline efficiency. In a ghost kitchen, you're cooking in a delivery optimized kitchen that's designed to cut unnecessary costs out. Efficiency is high and rent is low. You have your own private commercial kitchen space within the delivery hub to cook up your orders. It can be difficult to expand your traditional restaurant with high overhead costs. There are many different types of ghost kitchen you could do. Some of them are commissionary kitchen, commercial kitchen, or incubator kitchen. Please make sure you check out the Cloud Kitchen link below to see the explanation of these different types of ghost kitchens I have just mentioned. Even if you have a small restaurant and want to expand by using the ghost kitchen method, Cloud Kitchen can also help you with that as well with one of the different ghost kitchen setups I've just mentioned. Many thanks for taking the time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page which you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.